Directly 3D printing replacement parts, only fit for Artilery Sidewinde SW2. This is the 24-pin cable that routes from the extruder Breakout, J1/PCB to the X-axis Breakout, J1/PCB. The contacts can replace the stock ones directly, stick down stable. The adhesive tape on the back was long enough, and strong. Material, FPC, flexible, stable and durable. Ribbon connector, differ, 20-pin and PCB, 19.6 inch. The spacing between each pin is 1.0 mm. Kind tips, only designed for Sidewinde SW2, not include the transfer board. If need, please enter our shop. Did not fit for printer Genu and Pro, and other transfer board. If you need further, please feel free to email us. When install, please confirm you have pull open the buckle, put the correct needle contacts, and fasten. In the description to get this product today at the best price directly 3